Hello everyone! So I am at home on quarantine like most of us. Because of the virus, my college closed. We all had to go home, so I had to pack up everything in my dorm and leave. I originally wanted to upload like a dorm tour and stuff, so I actually filmed a little dorm tour at the very beginning of the fall semester. And you know, I was bored on quarantine, so I was like, hey, why not make some YouTube videos? So here's my dorm tour. So this is the door that you enter from, and then this is the view. This is our bathroom, so it's like a suite style room. So there's another room on the other side and we share a bathroom. And then we have our own sink and mirror. Over here, I just have some toiletries that I use every day, such as my toothpaste, everything that I use for my teeth basically, and some skincare things. And we have some soap, and my roommate had some paper towels over here, but I have a real towel because I try not to be super wasteful. And down here, we just had a bunch of cleaning supplies. So if we just take a little spin around, here we can see our closets. We put a full-length mirror over here. And this closet is my roommate's, and then that one is mine. So let's take a look inside. We only got a little bit of hanger space, so I had to fold most of my clothes. So I put like all my sweaters up there, and then I put some of the more summery things on the side. And then I put my bottoms on these shelves as well. And as the seasons changed, I would sort of rotate out my clothes. So I would send some things home and then bring other things to college from home. And I tried to squeeze in all of my shoes on the bottom over here, and it was a little bit difficult. As winter came, I got more boots, so that was a little bit hard to fit, and you're not seeing the closet like in its full glory. I figured out a way to make quite a lot of shoes fit in this small space. And over here I put my steamer, which I ended up moving. And so this drawer pulls out, it's under the closet. And I'm really sorry, I'm realizing how bad these clips are because everything is so close you can't really tell what is going on. But in there I just have like socks, underwear. You know, this is so weird. I used to keep my shower caddy over here, but I ended up just keeping it in the bathroom because it would always be soggy. And since it was like our bathroom, that was okay. I have a fan here. Ended up using it like twice. And I have my little trash bin over there. And over here's my desk. I ended up changing some of the decor around throughout the year, but I have a desk lamp, you know, my laptop, the essentials. And I actually bought this desk mat, and it was honestly such a great thing because it was like a massive mouse pad, so I didn't have to worry about that. But also it sort of made my whole desk look a little bit nicer, and it also protected it. So it was really nice. Over top here, I had a lot of jewelry and some accessories, and honestly, it mostly doubled as decoration. It looked quite nice. And the star of the room, my bed. So I was really happy with how this turned out. The tapestry really brought a lot to the room, and of course I loved my little fairy lights, and I hung little Polaroids on it. I thought it was super cute. A lot of blankets, a lot of pillows, sort of had this pink, gray, white theme going, a little bit of gold in there as well. So this is my little nightstand situation. I got a little light, which was actually so useful because I could just have that on. And then I would just turn it off like right before going to sleep. Had my diffuser, which is absolutely wonderful. I love diffusers, love essential oils. You should actually go check out my Monk review because that is an essential oil diffuser, but it's like mini and portable. I had some more decoration things here. A mug that was really useful because I drink tea every single morning. Alright, let's take a peek inside of the drawers. So over here in the top one, I just had some hair stuff, some basic like toiletries, like lotions, some nail polish. So basically like the whole beauty kind of aspect going. In this middle drawer, I have a lot of fuzzy socks and this really comfy, cozy sweater. So this is basically what I throw on in the mornings when I'm really cold. And in the bottom drawer, I just have all my PJs and loungewear that I wear to sleep. So I have some just plain t-shirts and joggers that are super comfy. So for under my bed, I got these really nice drawers, and they were wonderful. They fit so many things, and I really apologize for not getting a wider shot, but I organized them differently and it changed throughout the year. So I'll show you a couple of things, but it's really not that interesting. So this is one of them, and in here I just put a lot of jackets, and it's really interesting looking back at this because just now when I was moving out, I had like a ton of jackets in there, but over here it was like the beginning of the school year, it was summer, so I only have a couple. And over here I have my like bed and bath things, so some extra towels, and back there I kept some extra like sheets and like some loofahs, I guess. And in this one, wow, it's kind of a mess. I definitely changed it up. This was completely different by the time I moved out. But in here I had some food and I guess some school supplies. I don't know, it's kind of a mess. I think I'm gonna do a video on the snacks that I liked to keep in my dorm at college, just so that I kind of have a reference for next year and maybe you'll find it useful. Just, you know, the things that actually worked that I thought were tasty but also were very convenient to use in a dorm room. Over here I kept my laundry drying rack and my hamper, which I really enjoyed. I thought it was really cute. And then over here I had a bin full of like cleaning supplies and then extra mouthwashes, which were like too massive to put anywhere else. Oh man, this was taken before I even unpacked my Swiffer. Wow, I promise I used it. Well, I guess I never showed what I had in my desk drawers. It's really not that interesting, mostly school supplies, and I had some makeup in one of them as well because I would do my makeup over here. And I didn't get any more good footage here because I think my roommate walked in and then I just forgot. So, yep, that's it. Really quick apologies if there are any weird noises. They are doing construction on my street right now. So that was my dorm tour. I hope you all enjoyed it. Honestly, I kind of did this because I was bored and also just for myself so I could see what my dorm looked like my freshman year, and I just had something to reference. Looking back at it, it was really interesting to see how it changed throughout the semester because when I was packing up, it was a little bit different than when I filmed the video. So since we are on quarantine right now, I'm probably going to try to upload some more videos just because I'm really bored, and this is going to be a little fun hobby thing to do for me. Yeah, stay tuned if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Bye!